everyone, welcome back to the Handy Dandy Bee. My name is Marie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple all-natural leave-in hair treatment using only aloe vera. This is perfect for keeping your hair soft, moisturized, and frizz-free without all that crunchy feeling. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so let's head into my garden and cut some fresh aloe vera right from my backyard. This plant is so versatile. I just love how many ways you can use it. Isn't it amazing? I bet you know it too, huh, my little aloe vera plant? Yes, you do. All right, let's go back into the kitchen. Okay, I'm going to soak the aloe vera plant for about 30 minutes to remove the yellow sap. This sap can cause skin irritation, and that's definitely something I want to avoid. Luckily, I already had some aloe soaking for a few days, so it's ready to use. All right, so first thing is I am going to cut the edge, all the spiky sides that it normally has, and the tip. And I'm also going to cut out this dried out end. I'll cut the tip, the edges. And now for the fun part, grab a spoon and you're literally just gonna go along the edge of the plant and just scoop it right out. And this part right here looks like it might have been a little rotten, just because it's been sitting in there for so long. Again, you're gonna get the spoon and scrape it from the plant. And it's very easy, just like this. Comes right off. And then I'm gonna put it aside and I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna cut the spiky parts of the plant, the tip, and I'm just going to use my spoon. Again, run it through the plant, scoop it out. I took some out of here. And just scrape it. And it does get a little slippery, but it is very easy. This by far is the easiest way that I have found to clean the aloe vera gel out of the plant. And again, I'm gonna cut the edges off from both sides. Cut the tip. And again, grab the spoon and scrape out the gel. Look how easy that is. And look at that. So simple. It's so simple. Okay, we got all our aloe vera out of the plant. Here's the gel. I love it. And now I'm going to put it into my cup so then I can start blending it up together. And I'm literally just doing the aloe vera by itself. All right, let's send it off to the blender. Okay, now it's all blended. Just like that. The next step is we're going to strain it. And I have seen people use stockings to remove all the lumps from it, but honestly, I don't think it's necessary. This works just fine. I haven't had any issues with any type of like aloe vera gel lumps, so this works just as fine. I'm just taking my time here, making sure it completely is strained. Now that I've strained it, I'm going to pour the aloe gel into a bottle, which makes it easier to apply directly to my wife's scalp. She uses it right after showering on wet hair and leaves it in overnight for a nourishing treatment. To make it even more enjoyable, I add a few drops of lavender essential oil, giving it a soothing scent that turns the treatment into a relaxing experience. Well, that's it. Now you have a simple, all-natural leave-in hair treatment that's perfect for your hair. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Handy Dandy Bee for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy DIYing.